On the occasion of Breastfeeding Awareness Month, we have with us expert Dr. Mamta Agnihotri, gynecologist, Raj Hospital, Kanpur.
Thank you for having me here, and it's really pleasure to be here.
Can you tell us why breastfeeding is so important for both mothers and babies?
Breastfeeding is really very important. It's important for the babies because nutrients and antibodies, they are really useful for them to prevent them from infections and diseases, and it promotes healthy growth and development, and it is beneficial for mothers as well because it reduces the risk of certain cancers and it helps in postpartum recovery. So breastfeeding, apart from this, actually brings a very strong emotional bond between the mother and the child. So firstly, we can tell like breastfeeding में जो hormones निकलते हैं, these hormones like oxytocin, which is considered to be a love hormone, so it increases the bonding and attachment and love towards the baby. So mother and baby bonding becomes more better if she feeds a baby with the breast milk. Second thing is like we teach at our center kangaroo care. If the skin to skin contact is there with the mother and the baby, then sense of security and a comfort for the baby increases. Thirdly, the eye contact and the interaction which comes between mother and baby actually strengthens the communication.
What is the ideal duration of breastfeeding? For how many months should a baby be breastfed?
WHO, that is the World Health Organization, it recommends exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months. Exclusive means even we don't need even a drop of water from outside. If the baby is hungry or if baby is thirsty, in both the cases the baby is consuming the breast milk. Only then the actual weight gain of the baby occurs with the breast milk. And after 6 months, as like a cultural ritual also, that we go for pasni is considered here, like when we do weaning and introduce the solid foods with the baby. So we exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months, and beyond that we can add some nutrients according to the cultural and the social scenario, and we teach the mother to how to introduce the food.
How would you describe the current breastfeeding scenario in India?
In India, it has been a common practice. Breastfeeding has been a very common practice, and the newer things like introduction of breastfeeding bottles and other things were, it was not in our culture. So breastfeeding has been a very common practice here, and so it's not very difficult for us to teach, but because of the social pressure, like the mothers are now working, and sometimes they don't even know because their mothers haven't told what are the benefits of breastfeeding. It's like they have seen it that their mothers have breastfed, but they don't actually know what is the importance. So we need to tell them about the importance, why it is necessary for the baby. So we conduct antenatal classes for the pregnant females so that they are primed for this thing before they deliver. So it's not very difficult in our scenario in India, but definitely it needs to be upgraded, and we need to tell, proper knowledge should be conveyed, and we have to have adequate support systems like if she's at some place and they are feeding areas, they are like social platforms. If she's working at some office, there must be a place where she can breastfeed or she can take her baby with her. So these things can support her.
What are some of the major challenges that mothers face, and how can they be addressed?
The mother, the medical problems that they face is like sometimes they have insufficient milk supply, and then we sort out the causes. What are the causes why it's occurring, like because of inadequate food intake or inadequate nutrition for at the part of the mother, or there may be some psychological issues may also be there, which may lead to inadequate milk supply. So first we counsel the patient, and then after diagnosing, we supplement them with some remedies. Like there are many Ayurvedic supplements, and at a place sometimes they have it there at their home also, some Ayurvedic treatments, but we have some preparations also which we can tell, and like we can support them, and they really work good, and breast milk actually increase.
Any final message for our listeners?
I will encourage all the mothers to seek support and information about breastfeeding. main thing is that we have to teach our antenatal patients. I should advise the antenatal patients to attend their antenatal classes. Definitely their antenatal workshops at the hospitals where they are getting their treatment, so that they are primed for this thing, and they should learn the correct technique. And if she's having twin pregnancy, how to feed two babies, we teach, and we do the demo also with the baby. So with a like a model thing, so that they can actually get an insight about how to do the correct method. And this should, because only if you have a good knowledge, then only you will do the correct way to breastfeed the baby, and how to do that thing. So it's not a big deal, and we should always encourage our patients.
Thank you, doctor, for your message.